Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make my second butterfly themed makeup, this butterfly eye makeup. I made a basic makeup before starting this because I wanted to focus on the eyes. I'm using first my NYX In Your Element fire palette because there's a beautiful red in it, but then it wasn't working, so I switched to my iMagic, or iMagic, still don't know and I won't know, I think, body and face paint, the red, and I started doing with that. There's a little problem with face paint because it's always it's not fixed. It's gonna be weird, or I don't know how to say. It's gonna look bad if I don't fix it with something. So after I painted, I used again my NYX palette and I used the eyeshadow, the red, to fix it, and then it won't go everywhere. My whole eye won't be red. It's gonna be super good. Then I used again my iMagic palette and started drawing with the black color, the outlines and the details, because I choose this red and black butterfly, so I just draw these details. Yes, there are few thick and some thin lines. There are some texture that you can't really see on the video. I should probably buy a better camera and then you could see what I'm doing here. This is shitty quality, but that's the best that I can do. I'm just drawing some lines here and adding some dots that you can't see, so that's funny. Then I use this white that you can't see again, these little white dots. So that's the finished look. So that's the finished look. This is the second of my butterfly themed makeup. This is an eye thingy now. Again, more painting than doing makeup, but that's it. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot of links in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye!